No, trace.
Hadoop FS EXPUNG, that one, right, sir?
Yeah, expunge.
Expand. So it will delete everything from trash.
Yeah.
Hadoop
So
FS, sir.
yeah, FSC. So here what happened? DFS and FS both are same, and Hadoop and HDFS both are same. For example, instead of Hadoop, you can type HDFS also. Okay, both are same. Hadoop FS or Hadoop FS or DFS or HDFS, DFS, anything is fine. It will work.
Okay.
This one, So everyone clear, right? This one.
Yeah, clear.
Sir, yes, sir. Share this file, sir, with even with Linux commands also.
Yeah, I'll share that one. Okay. Till now, any doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt, right?
No.
Okay. See, what is big data? Okay. See, big data is just a term to describe the large volume of data, right? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Big data is just a term to describe large volume of data. There are many. See, in market there are multiple definitions. Okay, you will in some company will give some different definition. Some company will give different definition. So, but basically, just remember it will deal with big data, nothing else, which will handle large volume of data. Clear? See, so for you are doing IBM course, right? So in IBM, you have defined its own definition for big data. What is so? If anything, if any framework is accommodating this one, volume, veracity, and velocity, then we used to say that that particular thing, that particular component is big data. For example, what is volume? So if a volume is today we are getting some huge amount, small amount. In future you are getting some data means petabyte. In after some time, for example, today you are having 1 GB. Tomorrow you are having 2 GB. Then after 1 month you are having 1 TB. So if all the data you can accommodate in one place, so they used to say that your component, your particular framework is having big data. Means it can deal with big data. It can accommodate huge volume of data. Big data should accommodate huge volume of data, nothing else. Just remember. Clear? This point? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
नहीं समझ में बोलना. What is variety? Means जैसे कि MySQL में what happened? Only we should give structured data, right? We only
Yes, sir. Structured
but
data.
big data should accommodate all the three types: structured, semi-structured, unstructured. All three. तो स्ट्रक्चर डेटा में क्या आ गया हमारा, जैसे ओरेकल हो गया, आरडीबीएमएस हो गया, माइस्क्यूएल हो गया, कुछ भी हो गया. सेमी स्ट्रक्चर व्हाट हैपेंड? CSV, XML, JSON, and unstructured means any audio file, video file, image, anything. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
This is known as variety. And velocity. What is velocity? Any idea?
Speed.
Speed of data. For example, today you are getting, for example, 1 GB data you have. You are retrieving the data in 1 minute. Suppose now after 1 month you are having 1 TB of data, but you are retrieving the data into, it is taking 5 minutes for you instead of 1 minute. Your data should not behave like that. Same speed it should give, or more than that, within 50 seconds, 30 seconds. It should not increase your time. So currently you are getting 900 million of record. In future you can get 1 lakh. 1 lakh million or 1 crore, anything, any number. But the time which is taking now should be same when the data is increasing. that is known as speed of data, velocity. It should execute it should retrieve your data within a fraction of a second. Clear? All the three definition:
Yes.
volume, variety, and velocity. Clear? There in market there are a few more things like veracity. Means any poor quality of data or unclean data also it can accommodate. Okay? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just note it down, all three. This one.
All 3 or 4?
For all
Only
four,
the
all you can note it down, but these three is important. Okay.
Noted it, sir.
Right definition also miss one pointer that what do you mean by volume, variety, what is velocity. So हम लोग को basically क्या बोलते हैं three V's of big data.
सर आगे चलने से
हो गया?
यस सर.
See, read this one. Chandran, can you read this one?
To process huge amount of data which traditional systems are not capable of processing.
So why big data? So last time I've told you, right, in MySQL and all, so there are some space issue, there are multiple issues, right? For example, if your server is full, again you need to migrate new server, again you need to migrate all the previous data to new server, right? Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir.
So there are multiple disadvantages. So that's why big data came into market. Okay.
Okay.
So in big data, we need see in any process, any place, there are mainly two important things: one to store the data, one to retrieve the data. Okay. So in SQL also you have seen to store the data, DB is used. To retrieve the data, structured query language is used, right? Similar way in Hadoop also there are two main important components. One is HDFS to store the data. To retrieve the data, what we have? MapReduce program. Okay. So see here also in big data we have storage, one process, and one is scale. Means if your data is increasing, you can accommodate that one. Just remember for now, just basically we have two main important part: storage and process. Nothing else. So in normal, in any system, there are two types of in market there are two types of system. One is monolithic and one is distributed. Any idea what is this first one?
Monolithic is for single.
One powerful system with lot of resource, like one SQL. For example, in SQL here you have everything, right? RAM is there, hard disk is there, everything is present in one system only. For example, your laptop. In your laptop we have RAM, right? Hard disk also we
Yes,
have.
sir.
Each and everything we have in your system. So this type of system is known as
Monolithic.
Monolithic.
clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till now? So MySQL is distributed on monolithic.
Sir, before this, what were the two important functions? HDFS and
MapReduce. That I will tell you.
Okay.
So mainly we have two type of system. Just note it down.
सर ये पीपीटी शेयर करेंगे आप कि नहीं करेंगे?
ये पीपीटी देखते हैं, इसमें ज्यादा कुछ है नहीं, बट आई विल ट्राई टू शेयर दिस वन.
ठीक है.
बट इनकेस अगर नहीं किया तो नोट डाउन कर लो.
हाँ तो मैं फोटो ले ले रहा हूँ सर सारी चीज.
Everyone noted?
Yes.
Sir, can you please open the 11th slide once?
11th. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
See, to process any huge amount, first you need to store it, right? To
Yes,
store
sir.
in, so first we will store it, then only we will process, right? For storage, we need one place. So storage in big data, we have HDFS. Just now we have seen, right? We used to just we'll what with the help of put command, just we'll upload our file to HDFS. So for storage, we have HDFS. Clear? And now you people are familiar how to store data with the help of put command and copy from local, right?
Yes sir.
You should not forget this one, how to upload data. Okay. Still not clear? How to process data and all, I will teach you after some time. Okay, next class.
Okay.
So monolithic system is one system, powerful system with a lot of resource. See, a single powerful server hard to add resource after certain limit. For example, you are having one laptop, right? So currently you are having one 8 GB, someone is having 16 GB, right? After some time, you can increase your RAM how much?
What sir? फिर से क्वेश्चन रिपीट करिएगा.
Currently you have your system, right? Laptop.
हाँ.
लैपटॉप में भी रैम तुम्हारे पास 8 GB है.
ओके.
सपोज यू आर प्रोसेसिंग एनी फाइल, जैसे कुछ फाइल कर रहे हो, जैसे कि कुछ भी ऑपरेशन कर रहे हो, जैसे कि इफ यू आर ओपनिंग एनी सॉफ्टवेयर इट्स टेकिंग 1 मिनट. ओके. इफ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग योर लैपटॉप फ्रॉम रैम टू 8 GB टू 16 GB, तो क्या होता है, वो थोड़ा फास्ट हो जाता है.
हाँ.
मैं समझ लो 30 सेकंड हो गया और फास्ट हो गया, ठीक है. फिर आफ्टर कुछ टाइम बाद 16 GB 32 GB वी आर इंक्रीजिंग, so we'll see that there is not so much difference, right? 32 GB से अगर इंक्रीज करना चाहोगे, your laptop will say that is not supported, right? Yes, no?
8 से 16 कर रहे हैं, 16 से फिर 32 कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, 32 से 64 कर पाओगे? नहीं होगा, सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा.
हाँ.
See, after certain time you can't increase your memory resource, right?
ओके.
Monolithic में ही है कि after certain time you can't increase your memory, nothing else.
ओके.
इसका मतलब ये है, a single powerful server hard to add resource after certain time. 8 से from 8 to 16 to 32. After 32 it will not allow. Your hard disk will say that motherboard that I can't accommodate more than that, right? So you won't be able to increase that in this particular scenario. तो ये हमारा monolithic system के साथ सेम सिनेरियो है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन सेम सिनेरियो जैसे MySQL में भी क्या हो रहा कि currently we are having 1 GB, but after certain time you can't increase that RAM, nothing else. So again you need to buy new server only. So ये प्रॉब्लम था ये सिस्टम के साथ. क्लियर एवरीवन? यस, नो?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसमें हार्डली क्या क्या रहता है, हमारा CPU रहता है, एक हार्ड डिस्क रहता है, एक रैम रहता है. जैसे कि हमारा इसमें देखा गया, जैसे कि अगर तुम रिसोर्स, इफ यू आर इंक्रीजिंग रिसोर्स, योर परफॉर्मेंस इज नॉट इंक्रीजिंग दैट मच, इसलिए जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर जैसे कि 1 GB का सर्वर है, 1 TB का सर्वर है मेरा, ठीक है। करंटली फॉर एग्जांपल यू टेक एग्जांपल योर लैपटॉप, यू आर हैविंग वन लैपटॉप, ओके, इसमें अभी 8 GB रैम है। अगर तुम क्वेरी रन करते हो, इट्स टेकिंग 1 मिनट, ओके। अगर तुम इंक्रीज रैम करते हो 16 से, तो तुम ये देखोगे तुम्हारा उसको तो कम होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यू हैव इंक्रीज मेमोरी, इट शुड एग्जीक्यूट योर क्वेरी इन 30 सेकंड, राइट, बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग मोर रैम। यस, नो,
Yes,
ये
sir.
ऊपर से पार हो जा रहा है। संजना सौम्या, एनी डाउट?
Sir, actually, I am very saturated today. We learned a lot.
किसको समझ में आया वो बताओ।
सर मेरे को समझ आ गया।
क्या समझ में आया, समझाओ।
सर मोनोलिथिक एक वन पावरफुल सिस्टम है, but it has its advantages is that after a certain limit,
एडवांटेज नहीं, वो डिसएडवांटेज है वो।
disadvantage only I'm saying. One disadvantage, the main disadvantage is that after a certain point, it's hard to add resources after a certain limit.
या
Suppose if from one point, if we are having a RAM, basic RAM for 8 GB RAM, if we are going for 16, so 16 the speed will increase. But after 16, if you want to go to 32, your speed won't increase and you won't see much of a difference.
या करेक्ट, क्लियर।
Yeah.
टिल नाउ एवरीवन क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके, देन रिमेनिंग विल सी नेक्स्ट क्लास, नहीं तो सब
Okay.
भूल जाओगे।
Okay.
फिर पढ़ा के फिर बाद में फिर सेम रिपीट करना होगा।
ठीक है सर।
तो आज क्या क्या पढ़े आप लोग?
सर आज शुरू किए हैं पहले डायरेक्टरी कॉपी नहीं, मूव, डिलीट, फिर डिलीट के बाद काउंट, परमानेंटली डिलीट अ फाइल, कॉपी, और
बेसिकली वी हैव सीन मल्टीपल थिंग्स टुडे, राइट?
कॉपी के कॉपीज टू फंक्शंस वी हैव रीच्ड, कॉपी फ्रॉम लोकल एंड पुट, and also get,
Download, get.
get,
या गेट,
then
कॉपी टू लोकल,
move, delete, then after this expunge, permanently delete a file, count, then 3 V's of big data. What is big data?
ओके,
HDFS, MapReduce, monolithic and distributed. MapReduce we have to still study.
विल सी, ओके।
Yeah.
सो टिल नाउ आप लोग क्लियर? मैं आज बहुत सारे के ये सब नहीं कर, माइंड मिक्स मत कर देना, प्रैक्टिस करना, नहीं तो इफ यू विल फॉरगेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, यू विल नॉट।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है सर।
ओके, चंदना क्लियर?
Yeah, sir, clear.
Okay, then we'll connect next time, okay?